Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come at you with a stock lock. This guy is a, where do I put that damn key now? There we go. This is a Ruswin, Corbin Ruswin. Anyway, this is the bitting on it. Some pretty gnarly bitting on it. Anyway, I just picked it, so I just figured I'd try to pick it again for you, so I could use this for a stock lock Sunday. Anyway, let's go ahead and dig in, shall we? Hey, there we go. Man, that was quicker than shit. I can't believe I just picked it that fast. Honestly, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got inside. Damn, that's quicker than a bunny. Damn, dude. Okay. Boom, chicka, bow, wow. Picka, bow. So we know that it works. Here's the key. I really can't believe I just picked it that damn fast. That's alright. That's cool. It's cool in the gang, man. There we go. There we go. There we go. And we're going to shim it, of course, because shimming it is the correct thing to do, y'all. Nice thing about this, too, is after I get it done here, and all opened up, so I got to make a challenge lock out of it for one of you lucky folk out there who whoever wants to do a trade. Anyway, this is a nice 5-pinner here. Oh, it is a 6-pinner. Interesting, but we only have a 5-pin lock. Oh, damn, we got a son of a bitch. Gotta figure out where that little muscle went. It went there, I think. And this guy went here, number 1. Okay, so let's take this off real nice and slow. Okay, so what we have here, number 1, we have standard with master pin, master wafer. Standard with another master wafer, standard, and a standard. And let's see what we have up here. We have, look like nothing done up here in the core here, which is fine. Let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? Yeah, standard. Standard, that's how it came out. Weird. They have the same springs, which is nice. Because this is a standard lock, like I said. Alright, there's a standard. This is a standard with the wafer. Weird. Weirdo shit, man. And last but not least, we have another standard. So this has been a fun little exercise and learning how to pick a Corbin Ruswin. Let's go ahead and zoom in for us, shall we? There we go. Again, we have standards across the board. We have a couple master wafers here, 1, 3, and 5 right there. So I'm going to try to turn this into a 6-pinner if I can. Maybe try to throw another pin in on the end, right here on the end. We'll see if that works. If not, we'll just leave it as a 5-pinner. But this is, again, has been for a Stock Lock Sunday. This is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.